Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, we are going to explore the 3 best and easiest ways to take screenshots on your computer. The first method is using the Snipping Tool. Simply go to the Windows search bar and type Snipping Tool. Now, simply click on it to open the Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool is now open. Here, click on the new option to start capturing your screenshot. Now you can see that the screen has changed and is ready for capturing. Simply click and hold the left mouse button, then drag over the area you want to capture. If you need the full screen, drag across the entire display, or if you want a specific part, select only that portion. See, we are dragging it. As you can see, we have successfully captured a portion of the screen. You can also capture the entire screen if needed. Now, let's go ahead and save the screenshot. Here, you also have additional options such as editing the screenshot. To save it, simply click the Save button. After clicking Save, choose the location, such as your desktop, and give your screenshot a name, for example, Screenshot. Now click on Save. As you can see, our screenshot has been successfully saved on the desktop. That was the first method. Now, let's move on to the next one. The next method is very simple. Just press the Windows key plus Print Screen button on your keyboard. You may have noticed that the screen dimmed twice, which confirms the screenshot has been successfully taken. It is automatically saved in the Pictures folder, inside the Screenshot subfolder. As you can see, here is our screenshot. That completes the second method. Now, let's move on to the third and final method. For the third method, simply press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. This will open the Screen Snipping tool, where you can choose different capture options such as Rectangular Snip, Freeform Snip, Window Snip, or Full Screen Snip. This method is slightly different from the first one just by its interface, but as you can see, it works as a shortcut to the Snipping tool. Now, select the area of the screen that you want to capture. Previously, in the first method, we were given a direct interface for saving the screenshot. In this method, however, a notification appears instead. Simply click on the notification, and the interface for editing and saving the screenshot will open. As you can see, the interface is different from the first method. Here, we have access to various tools. Let's try using some of these tools. See how it works. Now, let's save the screenshot. Click on Save, then choose the desired location and give your file a name. Now click on Save. Our screenshot has been successfully saved on the desktop. Let's take a look at it. See, here is our screenshot. That brings us to the end of today's video, where we explored the 3 best methods to take screenshots on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.